Now, if you run a site with multiple users, editors, authors, administrators, and so on, one of the things you may want to do for your editors and your authors is allow them to upload media but not see anybody else's. And as an administrator, you have access to everything. This is incredibly easy, and there are plenty of plugins that allow you to do this, but you don't really need a plugin. So I've got a little code snippet. I'm going to show you how to use it, what it does, and if you want to access it, the link will be in the description down below. So let's take an example. I'm logged in now as my administrator, so I've got full control over everything, and I can see all of the files that have been uploaded. You can see the author of this one is Alter Ego, this one is my temporary login details, this one's Alter Ego, and so on and so forth. Now if we log into Alter Ego's dashboard, you can see we have less options on the side because they're an editor, and you also notice that they only see their own uploaded files. So let's just check this out, upload another file, and let's show you how this all works. So let's grab this file from my drive, upload it, jump back to my library. I now have a third file uploaded. And you can see, again, only I can see these. If we jump back over to the admin and refresh the page, we'll now see the new file that's been uploaded under the author of Alter Ego. It's pretty simple. So let me show you how you do this with a code snippet. Now for ease, I'm using the Fluent Snippets free plugin to handle this, but you could just as easily add this to your functions.php file for a child theme and have exactly the same functionality. Or you could use something like Fluent Snippets, enable what you want, then disable it using the option to keep these running in the background. Alternatively, there are plenty of other options out there, code snippets, WP Codebox, and so on. So this is the code snippet. It's a PHP code snippet, and as you can see, I've got this set up to run everywhere, front end and dashboard. Named it, grouped it, all those kinds of good things. Let's take a basic look at what this function's actually doing. First of all, we're creating a function called restrict media library. Then this is going to check and get the user's ID of the logged in user that's currently accessing this site. Then it's going to check to see what role has been assigned to that user, admins, authors, those kinds of things. Then it's going to check the current user is either an administrator or the original author. If they're an administrator, they'll see their own files and everybody else's files, so complete access. If they're the author, they'll only see their own files, like we just seen in the demonstration. Then you can see this is going to set the author to the current user ID, and then finally it's going to take this function we've created, add this as an action, and then run this restrict media library so we can use this inside WordPress itself. Nothing more complicated than that. You can grab this, you can install it, and you can start using it. Now, if you found value in this video, please do hit that subscribe button to get notified when new content is added to the channel. As always, all applicable links, including the code, are all in the description down below. My name is Paul C. This is WPTuts, and until next time, take care.